Just got these in the mail. They're Fresh Foam X 1440s, size 14 double E. I actually usually prefer the triple E, but let's check it out. They're relatively light, kind of a cool bottom. I'm gonna take the soles out and then let's try them on. Take the insert out because I have my own inserts that I'll put in. They feel pretty good, pretty light. These are a little wider, not in a bad way, than a typical 2E. These almost feel like if there was such a thing as a 3E. So I like that because I have wide feet. They have a minor feel like I'm kind of, my feet are getting pushed forward, like the heel's higher in the back, but that's probably just in my head a little bit. But I would say for the price point, I got it about $70. They're pretty good. I typically buy the New Balance 1080 Fresh Foam, which is about $150 shoe. You can tell a difference in quality, but these are pretty good. At least at first blush. Okay.